Today's unboxing is from Penguin Random House, and I believe it's books that are on the Cybils shortlist. I'm judging the picture book and board book categories, and there's 7 of us actually, all book bloggers, and we have about 308 books to read, and about 50 of them are not in my public library system, and so they're being sent by the publisher. So this one looks great. I look up to Ruth Bader Ginsburg, and that's a series because I know I look up to Michelle Obama is also on the short list. And oh, yes, it is here. Great. So this looks like it's a series. I don't know if there's more, but these were the only 2 that were nominated. Looks like there's just 2 for now, but I imagine there'll be more. So yeah, the board books, there's less board books than picture books, but still the board books, I think the list is at least 70, maybe even more. So great, looking forward to that. And then the other book is Goldfish on Vacation by Sally Lloyd Jones, and it is illustrated by Leo Espinosa. And yeah, maybe because this book is so new, it's not in my library system. Because I found actually, in the beginning when I went through the list, because I think we had about 3-4 weeks from start to finish between the nomination process and when it closed, some of the books that weren't in my library system became available, so I was able to get a bunch of them through the library that initially were not. And so yeah, this looks fun, and so I'll read this and I will add it to my spreadsheet, and I think I have about 70 more books to go, and they need to be completed by I think like end of December, perhaps even earlier. All right, thanks.